Welcome to StockInvest YouTube channel and this stock report for Shopify. The report was first published on our website Friday, September 9, 2022, but this is a more detailed version. Our aim is to help you answer the question, should I buy or sell Shopify? In this video, you will get insight into the technical and fundamental situation and future price predictions. Please remember to subscribe, hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new updated video. Since September 9, 2022, our system ranks the Shopify stock as a sell candidate, giving it a score of 0.061. Over the next few days we will see how this evaluation performs. In our daily updates for Shopify, our last headline reads, on Friday Shopify stock price gained impressive 8.99%. The Shopify stock price gained 8.99% on the last trading day, Friday, September 9, 2022, rising from $31.94 to $34.81. It has now gained 4 days in a row. It will be exciting to see whether it manages to continue gaining or take a minor break for the next few days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 7.92% from a day low at $32.34 to a day high of $34.90. The price has fallen in 6 of the last 10 days but is still up by 1.37% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical sign, and, in total, 10 million more shares were traded than the day before. In total, 41 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $1.41 billion. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $1,762.92, and the lowest price was $29.07. Right now the price is 98.03%, or $1,728.11, below 52-week high at $1,762.92, which also is all-time high for the stock. The stock lies in the middle of a very wide and falling trend in the short term, and further fall within the trend is signaled. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible minus 64.46% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between minus 100% and 54.21%. The 12-month trend indicates a minus 89% change over the next 12 months, with a possible return between minus 100% and minus 28.51%. This equals a price between $0 and $24.89 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. From analysts, Shopify stock received a general neutral rating. The analysts give PE ratio a strong buy and price to book a strong buy rating. For the return on investment, the analysts give the Shopify stock and sell rating. In this section we will give you some information about signals found for Shopify. We will start with the general picture before we move on some of the most famous indicators and signals that will give you a deeper and better understanding of the trading possibilities in the stock. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, September 6, 2022, and so far it has risen 16.66%. Further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. Volume is rising along with the price. This is considered to be a good technical signal. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. The Shopify stock holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. At the same time, however, the long-term average holds a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, there is a general sell signal in the stock, giving a more negative forecast for the stock. On further gains, the stock will meet resistance from the long-term moving average at $35.58. On a fall, the stock will find some support from the short-term average at $31.51. A breakup through the long-term average will give another buy signal, while a fall below the short-term average will add another sell signal and strengthen the general signal. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence holds a sell signal. Pivots gave a buy signal 4 days ago. Bollinger gave a buy signal not applicable days ago. The short-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average for the 3-month chart gave a sell signal 16 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages in the 3-month chart gave a buy signal 14 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average gave a buy signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average gave a sell signal 189 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages gave a buy signal 188 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for Shopify. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $31.94 and $31.55. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock then may fall to the next support level. In this case, Shopify finds support just below today's level at $31.94. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $31.55 and $31.27. This stock may move much during the day, volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be high risk. During the last day, the stock moved $2.56 between high and low, or 7.92%. For the last week, the stock has had daily average volatility of 6.51%. Let us have a look at some fundamental data you should be aware of before we tell you some possible good trading levels for Shopify. The price-to-earnings ratio, P/E ratio, is the ratio for valuing a company that measures its current share price relative to its per-share earnings. Shopify currently has a price-earning ratio of 267.77. This is an extremely high price-to-earnings ratio and could mean that a company's stock is overvalued. These kind of price-to-earnings ratios are typical for tech companies or companies that have extreme market potential. Next upcoming earnings report for Q3 2022 is expected to be released October 26, 2022. The consensus among the analysts are $0.0700. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, Shopify meets first resistance at $35.24. If you do not hold Shopify shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. On a downturn, Shopify finds first level of support at $31.94, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. In the table we have listed other potential swing trading levels based on the famous Fibonacci model. The average ratings combined from several analyst sources for Shopify is neutral. Our recommended stop loss is $33.43, minus 3.96%. This stock has high daily movements and this gives high risk. There is a buy signal from a pivot bottom found 3 days ago. Is Shopify stock a buy? Shopify holds several positive signals, but we still don't find these to be enough for a buy candidate. At the current level, it should be considered as a hold candidate, hold or accumulate, in this position whilst awaiting further development. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a sell to a hold/accumulate candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is overvalued. For the trading on Monday 12th, we expect Shopify to open down minus 79 cents and start trading at $34.02. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching. And remember to subscribe to the channel to get all the latest videos and updates.